All right, so we're looking at linear equations. All right, a linear equation is just an equation whose graph is a straight line. All right, you can even get it from the name linear. Right, so these linear equations which we're going to be doing have one variable, and that is x. All right, as you can see in most of our questions, we have the variable x, and we have to find its value. All right, so let's start with the first question. All right, the first one we have x over 2 minus x over 3 equals 7. Right, so usually with this type of equations, first work with the fraction, solve it and simplify it. All right, so work with the fraction on our left hand side. Right, so you can do it like this. We're going to say 3 times x, that is 3x, minus 2 times x, that is 2x, then 2 times 3, 2 multiplied by 3, that is 6, right, over equals 7. All right, then what we can do, 3x minus 2x, we're going to get x over 6 equals 7. All right, then we are going to cross multiply. Right, we're going to cross multiply over here, so we're going to say 6 times 7, that is 42, x times 1. All right, just imagine this 7 is over 1, so x times 1, that is x. So our value of x is 42. All right, we go to our next question. We have 5 over x minus 2 over x equals 3. Right, so for this one, you can say like this: 5 over x minus 2 over x equals 3. Now, notice here that have we have the same denominators here. All right, the same denominator. It is x. All right, we don't even need to multiply these denominators. All right, x divided by x, that is 1. 1 times 5, that is 5, minus x divided by x, that is 1. 1 times 2, that is 2. All right, 5 minus 2, that is 3. 3 over x equals 3. Right, this is the part where we have to cross multiply. X times 3, 3x. 3 times 1, that is 3. So to get our value of x, we need to divide both sides by 3. So we divide this side by 3, divide by 3. Right, so x equals 1. All right. The next question we have, question 3. X minus 1 plus 3x equals 5. All right, so the first thing that we're going to do is we will distribute this negative sign here. So we're going to say negative 1 times 1, we get negative 1. Negative 1 times 3x, we get negative 3x. All right, so we have x minus 1 minus 3x equals 5. Right, now we have to group like terms together. All right, because we have x minus 1 minus 3x. So these two are like terms, x and 3x. This negative 1, we take it over the equal sign. So we have x minus 3x equals 5 plus 1. This negative 1, we took it over the equal sign to the right hand side, and since it was negative, it became positive. X minus 3x, that is negative 2x. All right, 5 plus 1, that is 6. To get our value of x, we divide both sides by negative 2. All right, and 6 divided by negative 2, that gives us 3. So x equals 3. Oh, negative 3, right? Because negative 2 times negative 3 should give you positive 6. So positive 6 divided by negative 2 gives us negative 3. So those are the solutions for the equations.